Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 3B, new syllabus mathematics book 2. Before we start, there is one request. If you found my video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So exercise 3B, question 1. On weekends, a movie ticket cost $13.50. Form an inequality and solve it to find the maximum number of tickets Vasi can buy with $265. So ticket price is given. Ticket price is given. Price of one ticket, that is equal to dollar 13.50. So this is price of one ticket, and let the number of ticket he can buy with the maximum amount. Actually he has $265. So number of tickets that is equal to n. So ticket price into n, number of tickets. So this should be less than or equal to 265. So product of, or you can say that total price of tickets, all the tickets he want to buy, that should be less than or equal to this amount. It should not be increased than the amount he has total in his pocket. So that means n should be less than or equal to $265 over $13.50. So need to divide 265 divided by 13.5, that is 19.62, that is 19.62, and so by dividing we got this. N should be less than equal to, so that means number of ticket, there is no 19.62 number of tickets he could buy, that are 19 tickets. So this is the answer. Question number 2 is Cheryl signs up for a saving account that guarantees an increase her saving at a fixed rate of 15 per month. She plans to withdraw the money when it is more than the twice the original amount of $200. Find the least number of complete months that Cheryl has to keep the money in the account for. So initially she has $200 with her, and she is opening an account, and she decides to deposit every month $15. So she will keep on depositing $15 every month until the amount becomes twice of the this 200, that means like 400. So find the least number of complete months. So how many months it will take to achieve his goal? What is the goal? That she has 200. She wanted to open the account with $200, and then she will keep on depositing $15 every month. So question number 2 is so she is signing up the account, and initial amount she has with her, initial amount, that is equal to $200, and then she will deposit every month deposit every month, that is equal to $15. So it means and what is the target? She want to make the this amount double. So target amount is 400. So it means dollar 200 plus dollar 15 into number of months, this one, and this should be equal to not equal to more than, because mention find least number of complete months that Cheryl has to keep the money in the account for, and also more than the device. So 200 plus 15 month every month, and this amount should be greater than the dollar 400, twice the amount she initially deposited. So we can solve like just like an equation. This is inequality. She in the question it is told that this amount should be greater than the 400, and we need to find the number of month, that in how many month this task will be completed. So dollar 15 m greater than dollar 400 minus dollar 200. So dollar 15 m greater than dollar 200, and m will be equal to, so m number of month here, it means number of months should be greater than 13.33. So number of month 30 more than 13.33, that means actually m equal to should be at least 14, that should be equal to 14 month. So this is the answer. Next question is question number 3. So David scored 66 marks for his first test. So first test marks are, first test marks equal to 66, and in second test marks equal to 72, and what is the minimum mark he must score for third test? In third test, minimum marks we need to calculate such that obtaining an average of 75. So his average should become 75. So for average 66 plus 72 plus x divided by 3, this should be greater than 75. So actually this should be greater than or equivalent to minimum. He is telling minimum should be equal to this one. So 66 plus 72, 138 plus x, and greater than equal to 75 into 3, that is 225, and x 225 minus 138, that is 88. Sorry, this is 87 actually. So x should be greater. So number in third test he should obtain at least 87, or equal to, x should be at least 87. Question number 4 is, if the sum of three consecutive integers is less than 75, find the cube of the largest possible integer. So sum of three consecutive integers. Let first integer equal to n, then what will be the next? That will be n plus 1, then the third, that will be n plus 2. So these are three consecutive. So I can write second integer and this is third integer. So sum of plus n plus 1 plus n plus 2. So sum of three consecutive integer less than 75. So less than 75. Find the cube of the largest possible integer. So n plus n plus n, that is 3n plus 3 less than 75, and 3n less than 75 minus 3, 3n less than 72, dividing both sides by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, n equal to n less than 24. So n less than 24, because consecutive integers. What are integers? Integers are, I mean that plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, whole number, like whole numbers. So n less than 24, that means n equal to, so less than 24 is 23. So value of n is 23. It means first integer is 23. And what is second? N plus 1, 24. And third, n plus 2, that will be 25. So these are three consecutive integers. And also find the cube of largest possible integer. So 25 largest and cube equal to, multiply it 3 times, 25, 25, 25, that is equal to 15,625. This is answer. So question number 5 is, in a math Olympiad quiz, 5 points are awarded for a correct answer and 2 points are deducted for a wrong answer, or if a question is left unanswered. So for unanswered or wrong, 2 points are deducted. Bernard attempted all 30 questions. So he attempted all 30 questions. It means let correct answer are denoted by C, and wrong answer denoted by wrong. So he solved correct plus wrong, total equal to 30. We can say this is equation number 1. And 5 points for correct and 2 point minus for wrong. And his score is total. Now if we talk about the score, 5 marks for correct. So 5 into number of correct questions minus, because this is for wrong answer there is deduction. So 2 into number of question, whatever number of question, a wrong question, 2 into W, that is equal to 66. He made this one equal to 66. He got the, his total score for the quiz was not more than 60. So not more than, so it means less than or equal to. So this is actually regarding a marks. I mean that 66, this is 5 for correct. So these are marks. For one question 5 marks. Into number of questions, let be supposed number of questions are C, and minus for wrong question or unattempted. So this is equal less than equal to 66. So this is the Bernard score. He received the total score, this one. So now we need to solve these two equations. We need to find the maximum number of correct answer. For correct answer, we can use eliminate method or substitution method. So we need the correct answer. We need to find the C. Actually, we need to find C. For this purpose, find value of W from equation number 1, 30 minus C, and put value of W in equation number 2, 5C minus 2 into 30 minus C less than equal to 66, and 5C minus 60 plus 2C less than equal to 66, and 5C and 2C, 7C less than equal to 66 plus 60. So 7C less than equal to 126, and C less than equal to 126 over 7, that is equal to C less than equal to 18. So 18 is C correct answers. His correct answer or correct score is C equal to 18. This is answer. Now the question number 6 is, Sarah opened her money box to find 50 pieces of $5 notes, $5 notes, and $2 notes. So total pieces, $5 and $2 notes are 50. So if the total value of note is more than $132, find the minimum number of $5 notes she has. So total $5 notes plus $2 notes equal to 50. So it means let F denote the $5 and T denote the $2 note. So total notes, how many total notes are? $5 note, $2 note, total number of pieces or notes are 50. So this is equation number 1. And now value of these notes. So 5F, value is 5, and let the number of notes are F. So value of $5 notes plus value of $2 note, that is equal to total value is $132. So this is sorry, this is not dollar, this is number of notes. So this is equation number 2. We need to find the minimum number of $5 notes. We need to actually find here only F. So we can find the value of T from the equation number 1 and put here. We will get the value of F. We want to find the value of T. Sorry, just we need to find the value of F. For this purpose, we will our purpose is to eliminate the T. So find the value of T from equation number 1, put into, so T equal to 50 minus F, and put this value in equation 2, 5F plus 2, and T is 50 minus F equal to $132. So 5F plus 100 minus 2F equal to 132. So 5f minus 2f, 3f. Sorry, in this equation actually he told the value of these nodes is more than, so only greater than. We need to put here greater than. So here also greater than. This is not greater than. So this is greater than 3f, and greater than, that is dollar 132 minus dollar 100, because all values are here in dollars, dollar 100. So 3f greater than dollar 32, and f is greater than 32 divided by 3. So 10.66. So it means f greater than this value. What is the greater than this value? F actually, this is the $5 note. So what is note greater than this value? Immediate value is, that is a whole number, f equal to 11. We can write, because this is f greater than this value, and greater than this value is a whole number which is 11. So this was the number of $5 notes. We can write above that, suppose the number of $5 notes equal to f. So this is actually, this was number of $5 notes. Now question number 7 is, David wants to rent a car from either company A or B. Company A quotes rental rate of $45 per day. Company B quotes a rate of $38 per day. Together with fixed charge. Company B 38 per day together with the fixed charges of $75. So for company B, suppose even if you take for 1 day, so it means you have to pay extra 75. So it means that if you are taking for 1, 2, 3 days, this company B will be, I mean that more, it has more cost, it will be costly, company B, if for a few, or I mean less number of days. But you can take benefit from company B if your plan is to rent a car for lot of days, maybe for 1 month, for 2 months, or for 20 days. But if you take for 1-2 days, it means for company A you have to pay only $45, which is much cheaper as compared to company B for less number of days. For more number of days, it means that apparently we can judge that this is the situation. So we can see now, we can start company A is fare. Actually it is $45, and number of days, let number of days, whatever number of days you multiply, you can get the this price from the, you have to pay 45 multiplied by, for example, 10. So for 50 days, company B it will charge $38, but there is also some fixed cost that is equal to plus 75. Whether you take for 1 day or 10 days, you have to pay this extra $75 as a whole, not I mean that this is one time charge 75. So company A will be, or would be cheaper, if $45 day, if this amount, total amount, is less than this one, $38 plus $75, 38 days, sorry, here also days. This is per day charges into multiply number of days plus this is the fixed charge, there is no days here. So if company A, this would be cheaper if this amount is less than the company B's amount. So it means 45 days minus 38 days less than $75, and 45 minus 38, that will be 7 day less than $75, and this D less than $75 over 7. D less than 10.71. So D should be less than this value. This value less than mean 10. So it mean D should be, for days, D should be 10, equal to 10, or less than this mean 9, 8, 7. It mean for 10 or lesser than 10 days, for I mean that so for days, if I mean that days are 10, 9, 8 or less than 10, then it is a more cheaper. Company A is more cheaper. Here you can we can write dollar. Actually, it was already with here. So dollar and $7. So now this is dollar cancel this one, and this is the answer. Now for company B, we check for I mean that for company B, in which situation the company B is better. Let's see. Now for company B to be cheaper, for this is actually, this is for company B to be cheaper. In this case, I mean this should be greater. If this one is company A is greater, if this is greater, then this will be I mean, let me write here. Actually, this is the case for company B is cheaper. B is cheaper. So this case is for company B is cheaper. Actually, this should be at the heading place. Now we can solve this one. $45D and minus $38D greater than $75, and 45 minus 38, that is equal to $7. 7D greater than $75. So D will be greater than $75 over $7. So again divide. D should be greater than that value we calculated before, 10.71. 10.71. So D number of days should be greater than 10.75. Greater than this one is day should be mean that 11, 12, 13. So if you are taking the rental car for 11 or more days, then company B will be cheaper. So this was the answer.